Hi, good morning. It is the morning of the big event, and I am currently fixing some breakfast as I hear Candace, my daughter, inside getting after her dog. This is clearly one of my favorite things about RVing is cooking out on the griddle. And I chose the Royal Gourmet griddle. It seemed a little bit bigger, and it just seemed like what worked for us. So far it's been good. I've been happy with it. The only complaint I have is the drip tray is just not big enough. So I'm oftentimes having to empty it or it overflows. But yeah, that's darn good. Again, like I said, I chose the Royal Gourmet over the Blackstone just because this one, at least when I was shopping around, had a little bit bigger surface area, 3 burners, and I've seen people, and the Blackstones look great. Guy next door to me's got one. One of the things I do for when I'm cooking is I'll go ahead and turn this burner off. Okay, keep these 2 burners going. Move my foods over here, they'll just kind of stay warm just from the radiant heat coming off the plate. That way I can finish up these slices of bacon and then clean the plate off and then go with the eggs. So there you go. Tina and I discovered, at least in our neck of the woods, at Kroger's, go to the meat deli and you can get fresh sliced bacon, and it's not any more expensive. Matter of fact, it might be less expensive, but it's thick sliced, and it is so good. So we've been buying that. That's all we buy now. Well, unless we're traveling, we're out somewhere we can't find it, then we'll usually get the processed bacon, big bacon from the big bacon companies. All right, those look good. And in a little bit, I'm going to show you a method. I have yet to really try it, although I was shown by a good friend of mine, Tom West. He showed me how to clean a griddle. But for now, I'm just going to prepare this one for the eggs. I get some of this grease off here. All right, need 2 hands. So right now, I have the griddle off, and of course, this is still staying warm. The sausage and the bacon still staying warm. The griddle's still nice and warm. I'm preparing it for the eggs. So I got all the excess bacon and sausage grease off. And honestly, it's almost like a seasoning for this. So you can kind of wipe all that excess off there. Just a paper towel. And I already emptied the tray, so I can push some of the excess down. And then this provides a good preparation for your eggs. I'll probably throw a little butter on it just to make sure it doesn't stick too bad. And there's a little bit of residue still there. Try to scrape that clean. All right, so the griddle's still hot. I'm gonna throw just a little bit of butter on here. All right, keep our hands clean. All right, so we're gonna relight it. I'm just gonna do these 2 burners here. your hands clean. Dogs hear me out here talking. They're just on a fit. And we just scramble these in place. Didn't need the extra butter, so keeping somewhat healthy minded, not too much butter. All right, so we are now ready to get our breakfast onto the plate. Now it's time for cleanup. So, like I said, a buddy of mine showed me a little trick. I'm gonna give it a try. So, just some regular old seltzer water is all you need. Some paper towels, your scraper. Let's make sure this is empty. Okay, that's good and empty. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat this back up. Scrape off all the excess, get it off there, pour the seltzer water on. Let's give it a try. I'll just discard this in the trash can. Which I'm sure the dogs were just ticked off that I didn't give that to them. They would have loved that. All right, so this is getting good and hot. I mean, really, the grill is not that dirty. I mean, I know for sanitary reasons you need to clean it, but it's really not that bad. I could probably just wipe it clean with a paper towel, but we're going to demonstrate anyway. Actually, that is really good. All right, here we go. So that grill is good and hot. Just turn the grill off now. Won't leave it any hotter than that. And might as well just go ahead and dip this into the spill tray. Looking good. Make sure I nope, still good. All right, now I think we've got enough off there. I can wipe this clean. Hot, hot, hot. That is how you clean a griddle. Then what I'll do, I'll just take some regular cleaner and just clean the outside. The grill marks, all this stuff right here, just got splatter on it that needs to be cleaned off. But this grill is nice and clean. It is good to put away. Well, once it cools down. Don't want to melt the cover. All right, I hope this was helpful. If so, give me a thumbs up. Like it. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, neighbors, people you don't like. Have a good time. All right, talk to you soon.